Hello, my name is Mark Boice with Shiftless, SoCal, California, and welcome to Rides and Wrecks. Continuation of our series of how to install door glass, quarter glass, and adjust it. What we're doing here is we've already removed our door panel. We've already removed our cap right here, little vent cap, and our upper rubber. Now I'm going to show you the fine details on how to get this out, and could be a big bear. Let's get started. What we want to do is we want to remove this weather strip right here. There's a screw there, screw here. We're going to remove that. We're going to get our hook tool in there. And then we completely want to remove that. Next, what we want to do is we want to loosen this. This looks like a little 7, okay? You're gonna have to remember that. We're gonna take our bottom one, we're gonna remove the nut completely off of it. We're gonna take a flat blade screwdriver and we're gonna wanna screw it in. We wanna make clearance because what we're gonna do is we're gonna move that bracket down into the lower parts of the 7 slot. So now that we have that, we actually want to reach in through our vent hole right here and get that to go down as low as we can get it. Once we get it down as low as we can get it, we want to crank them down just a little bit. And now what we want to do is remove the window regulator. We're going to slide it off the end of the glass and then remove it right through there. Now what we can do is we can lift the glass up. We may have to loosen this to get it to come down. And the glass comes right out. Just like that. Now what we want to do is we actually want to take this inside out, that inside bracket, so we can actually inspect it, clean it. This is a critical part of this rear window. If it's not clean or if it's bent, it's just going to have big problems. So what we want to do is we want to inspect our window regulator. It needs to have nice teeth. It actually opens and closes right here. We want to make sure it's all good. Check our rollers. We want to make sure that our quarter glass has free rollers on it. They can be a little tight, but they need a spin. On our window guide here, a lot of times people get in there, they start twisting these windows back and forth and everything, and this is actually the piece that gets twisted that can actually cause problems. You need to make sure this area is nice and flat and the sides don't have any twists or bends in them. In the meantime, we're going to get ready to install our quarter glass, and I invite you to watch the next segment of our quarter glass installation to show you how easy it is to actually install this quarter glass and adjust it. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for some really cool tips, tricks, quarter glass, door glass, windshields, oh, I don't know, just everything.